In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert air conditioner from F to C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your air conditioner is displaying the temperature in Fahrenheit, but you would like to display it in Celsius instead, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to switch the display. This will be primarily done using the remote attributed to your air conditioning unit. I need to make it very clear that sadly this process is going to differ slightly for every single brand or manufacturer out there. I chose to showcase this with TCL and LG because I believe they are going to be popular choices, but if you have a different air conditioner from another brand or another manufacturer, I am not going to give you instructions for those specific ones. If I cover every single manufacturer in this video, it would be too long, so I highly recommend that you read the manual for your particular model and see how to do it through the manual itself. If you have a TCL air conditioner, then what you have to do is first power off the air conditioning unit, and it is recommended to unplug the AC from the wall for at least 30 seconds. After this is done, reinsert the plug, press the power button if the AC does not automatically power on, and set the AC to cooling mode. Once this is done, you will be able to press and release the sleep button on the remote 8 times. So you must do this within 8 seconds. You press and release the sleep button 8 times in a row. And if you do this in quick succession, aka within 8 seconds, the temperature will switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. And it is going to remain on, and you only have to do this once. You don't have to repeat this every single time, so press and release the sleep button 8 times. If you have an LG air conditioner, you will be able to do this by pressing the mode button. So for LG models, instead of TCL, you will have to press down the mode button for a few seconds. Once again, this will also switch the display from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and it is going to be done using the remote. For other models, it is recommended to read the manual because the instructions will differ slightly. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert air conditioner from F to C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.